All right, guys, here is our 2022 Stadium Club Hobby Box, PYT number 1. Good luck to everybody. Guess the last auto for 20 in credit. 2 autographs in every box. We got parallel chrome. Look for chrome parallel cards. And what's it say? 16 packs, 8 cards per pack per box. I'll do my best. Like I'll top load any of the autos, the numbered cards, stuff like that. And then I'll kind of go through and before I ship out, top load or sleeve up any of the other parallels, rookies, etc. Squilly, yeah, we did the Cosmic was our second break of the night. We are on our 4th break. You can either go back on this live stream or wait till it uploads shortly after the break. I forget we had our box topper. This is going to go to the White Sox, Frank Thomas. What a cool box topper that is for the White Sox. Nice Frank Thomas. Congrats to the White Sox spot. Put that there. I do have top loaders for those. All right, here's our packs, our empty box. White Sox got the top loader, box topper. There we go. Maybe I can say that right one of these times. Box topper for the White Sox. Here's pack number 1. Warthog is enjoying Mexico. He's out doing something tonight, so I'm riding solo. There's Jared Walsh. We're going to the Angels. Then we have Aljo Lopez on the rookie for the Reds. Kyle Lewis. Man, I like this design. Connor Wong, rookie for Boston. Jazz Chisholm for Miami. Then we got a red Jared Kelnick. Going to Seattle. Trey Turner. Lars Nootbaar. You guys guess the last auto for 20 in credit? That was the best hit, but we did hit a few other number cards. Baez to 50, Vlad Jr. to 99. There's Frank Thomas. Keith Hernandez for the Mets. Brandon Crawford for the Giants. Brooks Robinson. Andre Jackson, rookie for the Dodgers. A red Brian Reynolds. Kyle Muller, rookie for the Braves. And a Salvador Perez going to the Royals. We got Wander Franco guess. We got Corbin Burns, Spencer Torkelson, Bryson Stott for the last auto. Again, guys, guess the last auto for 20 in credit. You do not have to be in the break to make a guess. If you're watching, just throw out a name out there if you hit correctly. It's got to be someone that hasn't already been guessed. Pete Alonso, Power Zone. JP Crawford. You can get 20 in credit to use in our store towards any breaks, packs, or boxes. Dansby Swanson. That's going to Atlanta. He is now a Cub. Then we got Joe Ryan, rookie for the Twins. Otto Lopez, rookie for the Blue Jays. John Kruk for Philly. And we have Chipper Jones for the Braves. That's a cool one there for the Braves. And Alberto Mondesi for Kansas City. Our final break of the night is 22 certified football. We have Pittsburgh and Tennessee left in that one. First off the line, certified. We had a decent break to start the night off on that certified. There's Anthony Rizzo. We got like a mini card in here. Yeah, we do. Die cut Anthony Rizzo. We got Logan Webb, Juan Soto, Trevor Story, and an Aaron Judge. We got refractors, chrome card. The Field of Dreams. The Chronicles football, pick your team will be. I'll have to look into that. I'm not sure yet. We're getting our schedules done. Depending on how many spots, we're going to kind of wait until they fill. We were running them a little quicker, but we weren't selling as many spots then. So we've kind of slowed down on when we're running breaks, but I'll take a look at that one. If it's been one that we've had hanging out there for a while, we'll try to get that. That's another thing with this being Christmas weekend. We'll see if we can get that done maybe on Wednesday if possible. Francisco Lindor on this die cut. One of the Mets. Whoops. There's a Bo Jackson and Kevin Gossman. Yeah, I really like that Cosmic product. It's pretty cool. Nice parallels. Syndergaard, it seems like a lot of people like it too, so the values of the cards are up pretty good. Jake Myers, Austin Meadows, Greg Deichmann on the rookie for the Cubs, Josh Donaldson. We got a red Ozzie Albies, Luis Gill rookie, Spencer Torkelson rookie. Again, we have 2 autos in this box. Guess the last auto for 20 in credit, guys. You do not have to be in the break to throw out a guess. Brandon Lowe, TJ Friedel, Connor Siebold, Edward Cabrera. There's our first auto. That's Craven Castro for the Giants on card auto. I wish they just had the Stadium Club as our flagship, like these pictures here on, your Series 1 and stuff like that. It'd be nice. There's Team Future Shane Baez, Joe Adell, Chas McCormick, rookie. And for the White Sox, Yohan Moncada. Dave Winfield for the Mets, or Yankees. Ozzie Albies. Whit Merrifield. Jared Kelenic. Christian Yelich. Rodolfo Castro. Seth Beer, rookies. Yeah, we'll make sure to get you a message out. Once we know we're going to break it, you'll get notified ahead of time, so that way you won't miss it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button here and turn on the notifications too, so you know when we go live. Garrett Cole, AJ Alexi, rookie. Josh Lowe, rookie. Jim Abbott for the Angels. Alex Kirilloff. Lorenzo Cain on the black parallel. Hans Kraus, rookie for Philly. And we have Alex Verdugo. We have our last auto somewhere in here. Make sure you guys throw a guess out there. We got Juan Soto there from David. Who else do we have as guesses? Wander Franco, Torkelson, Corbin Burns, and Bryson Stott. I think that's all of them. If you guys want to guess and try to earn 20 in credit, make sure you throw that guess out there before the last auto is revealed. Hugh Darvish, Dale Murphy, Ernie Banks, Jose Barrios, Teoscar Hernandez. We got the red Ty Cobb for Detroit, Dylan Carlson for the Cardinals, and Kyle Hendricks for the Cubs. Andrew Jones for the Braves. Jordan Alvarez. Jeremy Pena, rookie for Houston. Eli Morgan, rookie for Cleveland. Jose Canseco. There's a red Mike Yastrzemski for the Giants. Andre Dawson for Montreal. And Gurriel Jr. for Toronto. Again, we got 2 spots left on the last break of the night. That is going to be the certified football first off the line. Grab your spots in that, guys. Miguel Cabrera, Ryan Howard, Jonathan India. We got Barry Larkin, Giancarlo Stanton, Power Zone, Mike Trout for the Angels, Greg Kimbrell, and Aaron Judge. Blake Snell, Shohei Ohtani, Josh Bell, Eloy Jimenez, Jacob deGrom. Whoa. Sorry about that, guys. And we got Juan Soto, Destiny, Robbie Ray, and Nick Castellanos. We got 4 packs left. We have our last auto coming up. Good luck to everybody who guessed that last auto. Hopefully we can give away 20 in credit here. If not, stick around to the last break and try to guess again. Jesus Sanchez, Shane Baz, Juan Yepes, Freddie Freeman, Carlos Santana, a red Anthony Rendon for the Angels, Tel Marte, and Justin Verlander. Oh, there's our auto. I don't know if I flashed it or not. I'll try to save it to the end anyway. Jack Flaherty, David Ortiz, Team of the Future, Jonathan India, Joe Musgrove, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., John Means, Max Muncy, whoops, Jaron Duran, rookie for Boston, Trevor Rogers, Vidal Brujan, Red Whit Merrifield, Ty Cobb. We haven't hit any of the big rookies yet. There's Brian Reynolds. Last pack, and then we have our auto as well. Then we'll move on to that certified football. We have Pittsburgh and Tennessee left in that one. If you guys want to grab those spots, do it now. Get 10% off using the link in the chat, using that code that I have posted there as well. Benintendi, Buster Posey, Ted Williams, Christian Yelich, Adrian Beltre. That's a cool Wade Boggs. That's a black parallel there. Jim Palmer and Justin Turner. All right, guys, here is our last. Well, we got 2 cards here. There's Ryan Mountcastle, Max Scherzer, and then we have our auto. No one guessed this one. For the Yankees, Paul O'Neill on card auto. He's got a nice signature there. That's a cool card for the Yankees, though. Paul O'Neill was the auto for the guess. Congrats to the Yankees spot on that. I do have some of these cards to top load and stuff before I ship and everything, but I just top loaded a couple here, the autos, the refractor. So we got the Paul O'Neill auto for the Yankees. Craven Castro for the Giants, rookie auto. Francisco Lindor on the die cut. And then we have the like chrome refractor, chrome Aaron Judge for the Yankees as well. The box topper, that's going to the White Sox, Frank Thomas. All right, guys, that does it for Stadium Club. Grab your spots in the next Stadium Club. Let me update my list real quick, and then we'll get to our last break. I want to make sure I get everybody's spots correct here. So 8. Patriots are taken. So yeah, it looks like, unless I'm